Hello everyone, welcome to Banti Arise channel and Facebook page. It's good to see you again. How are you today? I hope you are doing good. So today we will keep going on lesson 36, which talk about the Garden of Gethsemane. So in this video, we're going to learn 6 vocabulary words together. So are you ready? Let's get started. For the first word, we have power. Power. Power spelled P-O-W-E-R. Power. Power is a noun. For example, whatever I do, I will do in my power. Whatever I do, I will do in my power. Second word, we have powerful. Powerful. Powerful spelled P-O-W-E-R-F-U-L. Powerful. Powerful is an adjective. For example, he is a powerful leader. He is a powerful leader. Third word we have thought. Thought. Thought spelled T-H-O-U-G-H-T. Thought. Thought is a noun. For example, he thought for a moment before replying. He thought for a moment before replying. Fourth word we have thoughtful. Thoughtful. Thoughtful spelled T-H-O-U-G-H-T-F-U-L. Thoughtful. Thoughtful is an adjective. For example, she is a very kind and thoughtful person. She is a very kind and thoughtful person. Fifth word we have possibility. 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 Spell P-O-S-S-I-B-I-L-I-T-Y. Possibility. Possibility is a noun. For example, children have been a possibility after all. Children have been a possibility after all. Sixth word we have possible. Possible. Possible spelled P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E. Possible. Possible is an adjective. For example, will you send someone to fix it as soon as possible? Will you send someone to fix it as soon as possible? Okay, alright everyone. This time I want you to repeat after me. Power. Power. Powerful. Powerful. Thought. Thought. Thoughtful. Thoughtful. Possibility. Possibility. Possible. Possible. Great job everyone. Okay, thank you so much for spending time watching this video. I hope you like it. And if you want us to help your English, you just comment in this video. And if you want to learn more with Miss Jenny Taylor, you can go into YouTube link, click about or below. See you next time in the next video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye bye. God bless you.